Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia Williams and here we do all things beauty. So for today's video, I'm so excited. We are going to be doing the new Bridgerton collection. So I only did pick up the eyeshadow palette and the blushing palette because it's like the only two things that interested me the most. I don't got money like that. So I didn't pick up the lipsticks or the body shimmer. So I did not grab those or the eye pencil, but I did get the eyeshadow palette and the blushes. So I am so excited to reviewing this. I am a huge Bridgerton fan. So I want to say personally, season 1 was my favorite. Season 2, it's okay, but I'm not gonna spoil it. It's not bad at all. I would give it like an 8 out of 10. Season 1 was a 10 out of 10. Like, it had me hooked. But I really wanted to pick up the second collection over the first one, only because I felt like the first one, the co-story was very similar. This one has a lot of like different stuff going on with it. So if you want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. Okay, so I am going to start priming my eyelids with the Urban Decay primer. And we're going to go ahead and get into eyes. I have the Bridgerton palette. I already took it out and I did swatches for you guys. So I'm going to insert that now. Getting back into the Bridgerton palette, this is how it looks. And then we have the back. So screenshot if you need to. I did already swatch them for you guys. And I want to say this one messed up like the most out of my light touch of a swatch. This one's extremely pigmented. It's really good. Like, I'm so excited for these on the eyes. Okay, so I want to start by taking this shade right here. Let me see what it's called. Regency Romance. I want to take Regency Romance all over on the top of my eye. Putting it up towards the brow bone, but not all the way. It's so cute. So for pigment, it's supposed to be more of on the sheer side. I'm sure if you wanted to build it up, you could, but I like the little airbrush look it has going on. For the first shade, she's down, repeat. Okay, so going in with this brown eyeshadow stick from Cookies and Dreams collection of e.l.f. It's the Cookie Lover, the brown shade. I am going to use that to make a smoky look, and I'm going to blend it out using this more purple shade called Forbidden Amour. We're going to get into it. And I didn't do a review on these, like the collection or whatever, because I didn't start YouTube until like after I already bought a whole bunch of other stuff besides this. And I was like, you know, just getting into it, like, why not incorporate it? Like, I already have an opinion on this. Of course, I love this. It's so creamy. So I didn't do a review or anything, but I have my favorites or whatever from the collection. And I'm not gonna line the top of my eye a lot because we're putting more shades down, so it doesn't make no sense to do that. But I did want to make a shape with this brown, something like a wing. I'm wondering if I should bring it out like in a little. Let's do it. Okay, just like that. We're doing that shape and repeating it. And going in with Forbidden Amour. We're going in with this one on top of like the brown. We're blending it in. Desire. Let's do Diamond's Desire towards this out part and the blue towards the in part, and then we'll have that inner corner highlight as a different shade.
Wow, she's gorgeous.
Guys, look at that. It's Diamond's Desire, the pinkish sparkle shade. I'm sorry, I don't know the name of the formulas. They were saying like something Blitzen formula, Blitzen. I'm like, I don't really know the name specifically of the formulas. I know one is like shimmery, one has glitter in it and it's sparkly. Actually, it's like two like that. That's like shimmery and sparkly with glimmer. The other one's like a sheen kind of glow. This one's more like a sheen kind of glow. It's not too much like sparkles in it, but like it's still pretty. It's pigmented. Put it in this outer area. Skin. Also, I'm not adding no cream blush because we need to see how the blush pops on its own. So no cream blush, just blush on her own. But we are going to do powdering and then the contour powder on top of the cream contour. You know, we'll do it. Guys, this is my first time using Hourglass Concealer. I got it in the shade Beach, and I wasn't going to do a first impressions with my Bridgerton video, but I'm really excited to use her, and I can't wait any longer. So I'm using her today. First impressions. Is she worth the $39 I spent? I have so much acne peeking through. Like, you guys probably can't see it, but like I have acne like on my chin, cheek, brow, cheek. Forehead's like a tiny bit bumpy, but what can you do? Okay, looking at it, it does look very brightening and lifted, which I like. It's a good shade. I picked a good shade. But I did try this on in store, so I was pretty sure it was going to be a good shade. You know, it looks full coverage, but I'm not gonna lie, concealers usually do, and then later I'll realize like they're not as full coverage, or I should have built it up more. So I have to wear this and see how I really like it. You know which one actually does that to me? That NYX Bear With Me concealer. That one always looks so thick and full, and then I'll look at it later in the day at a mirror, and it's like I can see my under eyes, like the dark circles. I can really see it, and I'm like, maybe I should have put more. Like, maybe I need a pump under each eye, because I'll put half a pump and then put it to the other side because I'm like, it's already thick. But girl, that one starts just like peeking through with my dark circles. It makes me feel like I don't have enough makeup underneath my eyes, and that's like where I want it the most. Like, I don't want my face to have the most, but under my eyes, cover me. It's called the Blushing Delights. It has 4 shades in it. One is a highlight, the other 3 are blushes. Ooh, sorry. But why would they? Okay, so let me say, this is like up top, right? But tell me why when you look at it, it's upside down. So you guys know what I'm talking about. Like, it's upside down. So first, let's get into it. We got Champagne Venus, Aphrodisia, Budding Romance, and Berry Brilliance. I'm going to insert the swatches now. Okay, going back into it. This is the Champagne Venus, I believe Aphrodisia, Budding Romance, and Berry Brilliance. I feel like For this eye look, we didn't like finish up the under eyes, but I feel like Berry Brilliance is the most appropriate. She is pigmented. Oh my gosh. I didn't even dust away my under eyes yet. Let's just try to put some down over here. Like, it's really pigmented. Guys, it's out of control. Like, I'm trying to like it's so pigmented. Trying to I haven't dipped twice yet. I'm just trying to put it down as much as possible. So this is how it's looking so oh my gosh, this is how it's looking so far. I'll add more powder to tone it down. Okay, so next, going in with Budding Romance, this pinker one, we're putting her towards the front just a tad. Like, I'm barely gonna touch it, just a tad. Okay, I know y'all see it. I'm gonna blend it out. Give me a second. I don't know why I thought I could blend this out. It's so pretty. But my goodness. It's only becoming more and more. Okay, give me a second. I will come back to you guys after I tone especially this side down. This is how it's looking powdered down. It's still pretty pink, pigmented. I didn't put powder towards the back of it because I was like, that's Berry Brilliance. She's gonna be Berry. So back in with this shade right here. What is she? Regency Romance. Yeah, putting her under the eye. Going back in with this shade right here, this purple looking one. She is Forbidden Amour. Putting her towards the outer part. We're gonna do this inner corner. She is called Diamond's Desire. And Diamond's Desire is also going to go as the brow bone highlight. Okay, so for using all shades for the sake of the video, we are going to take this shade right here. She is called Forever Charmed, this darkish one. And we're going to put her under the eye right here. I know it doesn't really go with the look, but for the sake of using all shades, we're doing it.
She's honestly like a full lid kind of moment. But let's put her under. Just a peekaboo moment. Yeah, I can barely see her. Okay.
There. Forever Charmed under the eye. Okay, I still like the look, even though, you know, Forever Charmed didn't match it. She's still cute. She's cute. Okay, so I have the lashes on. They're by Kiss in the style Cashmere, and I'm gonna go in with the highlight. Since I already set my face and, you know, got the eye makeup on, I'm gonna go in with the Champagne Venus highlight just on the top of my cheeks, down my nose, maybe some more on the brow bone because you can barely see the shadow. Shimmery. And I've never tried any Pat McGrath formula in my life, so it's pretty. Okay, do you guys see her? You guys can see her just a little bit. She's subtle, sparkly, but subtle. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna spray a brush to see if we can build it up just a little more, and we'll go around with the rest of the face. Okay, I think that's as build up as she's gonna get. So we'll put some on the nose, down the bridge. And if we're able to, squeeze her on the brow too. These are those 3 lipsticks. To go with the eye look, I really don't think the brown is gonna match. I did use like that brown cream eyeshadow stick from e.l.f., but the purple's on top of it, so it looks more like a deep purple. I feel like, of course, it has to be between these 2 shades, and I'm leaning more towards the pink. So let's put them on the lips to see how they look. Okay, lining the lips. Going in with tease. Look at her. I don't feel like it can go with the look enough, but it's cute. It's definitely like a Bridgerton lip, just not for this eye look. So next, okay, going in with Peony, if I'm saying that right. I think I like this color. She really complements this like pinkish shade. I think I like the color in the lips. Okay, you guys made it to the end. Let me be right back with my final thoughts. Hi guys, thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. I really appreciate it. For a quick recap, the concealer was new for me. It was by Hourglass in the shade Beach, and then the lips from Milani, they're also new to me. They feel amazing, 10 out of 10. It reminds me of Juvia's Place's lipstick formula, but cheaper. So keep that in mind. If you like Juvia's Place, Milani's is like cheaper, similar color story. So it's really nice, creamy, matte. So fast forwarding, going in with the eyeshadow palette, 10 out of 10. I loved it. Like, I created such a beautiful look with it, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna be able to use all 6, but I pulled through because it wasn't that hard to make a look out of them. And with the colors being so different yet cohesive, I think it looks really nice. Like, I really enjoyed this look. The highlight is really nice. I would say the blushes, if you don't have something like this already, then sure, if you have the extra money, you can pick it up. I think it's really nice, very pigmented, but it is a luxury item, along with the value of 6 shadows for, what was the price point? About $60. And I got these as a deal. I believe it was like $112 for 2 of them instead of like $125 if I bought them individually. So it definitely was a deal. But once again, it's only 6 shadows and 3 blushes and a highlight. So I mean, if you have the extra money to splurge, pick it up if you like Bridgerton. But if not, it's okay to skip out on this one. I'm sure there'll be more to come, more seasons, and I know I'm not going to pick up every season. So I really enjoyed the formula, the packaging. It's just very high end. Speaking of the packaging for this one, honestly, I don't know why it is as big as it is. She could have made it like smaller. If you guys can see how it sticks out when I do like that, she could have stopped it like literally like right there, so it could be a flatter component, but it is like bigger than normal. And I enjoyed, it's cute. It definitely gives me something different from what I have. I don't know where she's gonna get put away at, but I really like it. So I will keep wearing everything to see how it goes. My contour, still testing it, by Iggy, Azaela, and BH. It's the Totally Plastic. Still testing it. I like it though. I mean, I'm bronzed enough. And if you like this video, just give me a like and a thumbs up, and see you next week. Bye.